Pete Daigle here to show you how to install a magnetic pickup on an Autoharp with a 1/4-inch jack through the treble edge. We install these through the treble edge lower on the edge so that the cord will not interfere with your body. To install this pickup and jack, you'll need to be comfortable with a drill and a tape measure, be able to line things up well, and know how to solder. This tutorial will not teach these skills. On 21-bar Oscar Schmidt Autoharps and most custom-built Autoharps, there will be a slot under the cord bar holder, which we call the comb, for the metal tab of the pickup to fit. It'll fit underneath. You do not have to remove the strings. The pickup will slide under the strings and into the slot on the base side comb, while you'll need to remove the treble comb to place the pickup. Line up the loose comb in the exact position it'll be in when finished and put a pencil mark where the wire protrudes from the pickup. You'll drill a hole for the wire at this mark. The hole does not have to be big, 3/16 at the largest. Okay, so mark the drill bit and brace the drill so that you don't accidentally go through the back of the Autoharp when you pop through the top. Angle the hole back a bit toward the butt end of the Autoharp to make it easy to fish the wire toward where the jack will be. For an Oscar Schmidt, the frame is very wide at this point, so you'll also angle the hole inward a bit because you'll want to reach the open area of inside your Autoharp. To prep the pickup, we like to put a small piece of felt under the metal tabs to prevent it from wiggling in place or causing a buzz while you play. You won't actually fish the wire into the instrument until the hole is drilled for the jack. The hole for the jack is a double arch. The hole is a double arch, so it will not weaken the frame. Don't worry about that. The instrument of this size and the drill size will be compatible and you'll not weaken the frame. The drill size for the jack is 15/32. That size, by the way, is critical, 15/32 of an inch. A piece of tape across where the hole will be drilled will help prevent splintering when you drill the hole. The hole must be centered in the frame. We use a doweling jig to keep the bit good and straight and to line it up exactly in the center of the frame. On this Autoharp, the Tahoma, the hole is drilled about 4 3/4 inches from the bottom, avoiding internal bracing when we drill the hole. For the Oscar Schmidt, as well as most other Autoharps, the hole can be about 3.5 inches from the bottom. Drill all the way through the frame into the empty space. You'll want to draw the bit out once or twice to remove wood chips so you don't overheat the drill bit. Once the jack hole is drilled, thread the pickup wire through the hole, moving it toward the placement of the jack. That is, place the pickup wire through the hole that's on the top of your Autoharp and move it backward towards the placement of the jack. We use a simple homemade tool for fishing the wire, which we'll locate with a flashlight if needed. Pull the wire through and you're ready to solder. There are 2 terminals on the jack. The center insulated wire will go through the terminal with the hole in it. The ground wire, which wraps the insulated wire, goes to the other terminal, which you'll bend with pliers to attach before soldering. Get good solder joints and make sure there is no short between the 2 wires. Plug it into your amp to test it out and make sure it's working properly. If, like the instrument shown, you have no strings on it, you can run a drill just above the pickup and it'll make a crazy noise through the amp if all is working properly. Use a small amount of glue on the threads of the jack. We use thick viscosity CA glue or super glue. You can use a little epoxy or other kinds of glue as well. Push this jack straight into the hole. Don't turn it. Use a hammer to tap it into place if need be. If there is any glue residue, clean it up immediately to keep your finish in good shape. Let the glue cure, then plug it in for a new Autoharp adventure.